Hello viewers, Shraddh Kumar here, Business Studies faculty from Shakthi International School. In my last video, I have discussed some of the principles of scientific management. So in this video, I'm just continuing the same principles of management. So let's proceed further. Next, we have the third principle, that is cooperation, not individualism. So here F.W. Taylor is trying to say that there should be a cooperation among the management and workers instead of individualism. So this principle is just an extension of harmony, not discard. If there should be a cooperation among workers and management, before that there should be an essence of harmony among them. So then only we could expect this cooperation. So how this cooperations can be built up in an organization? The management should respect the workers and management should gain the trust of the workers, and they have to take the suggestions from the workers and give a proper reward for their suggestions. So these are all some of the arrangements. So management and workers should build up in an organization, then this automatically bring a better harmony and cooperation in the organization. Next one, we have development of workers to their greatest efficiency. This is the fourth principle. Here F.W. Taylor is believing that an organization wants to improve its efficiency, always they have to hire a competent personnel. So if they want to go for a competent personnel, means they have to follow some scientific methods to select the work, selecting a right worker for the right job. So the scientific methods will help a lot. So this is what F.W. Taylor believes in, and he's saying as per this principle, so we have to take all the potential of the employees by giving proper trainings and realizing their efficiency. So through that, organization can attain its best efficiency and prosperity. So this can be attained through a scientific training. So company and workers can reach their greatest efficiency and prosperity. I hope these scientific principles give you a better idea how F.W. Taylor is looking at management as a science. Yes, by adopting these scientific principles, we could bring a greatest efficiency, harmony, and we can utilize the workers to their greatest efficiency in an organization. Thank you.